sun-drenched Atlantic coastlines, luxury high-rises, and a highly engineered digital sanctuary. Uruguay operates an elite framework designed specifically to pull global creative and financial assets into its borders. Geographically and politically, it functions as an isolated fortress. While neighboring nations navigate deep institutional volatility, Uruguay maintains world-leading democratic stability, locking remote builders inside a secure, highly predictable environment. The primary geopolitical lure is absolute fiscal efficiency. The state weaponizes a flat 0% personal income tax structure, legally sheltering foreign-source software and technical revenues from local taxation. This dual-axis graph reveals the core dilemma. Living costs soar aggressively above the continental baseline, while your local tax rate plummets to zero. Watch the center intersection pulse, the break-even point. We must map where your 0% tax dividends finally outpace Uruguay's expensive daily premium. This is not a cheap destination for budget-conscious backpackers looking to hack their rent. Moving your operations here is a high-stakes mathematical investment for established professionals. The border gateway is streamlined but highly selective. Passport holders from the US, UK, Canada, and the European Union step off the plane into a 90-day visa-free entry, easily extended low plane. Indian nationals and others must process a prearranged sticker visa through standard consular lines. Transitioning to residency is friction-free. The 2026 Technical Nomad track allows entry as a tourist. Complete a single online declaration confirming your foreign revenues, and instantly secure legal residency for 6 to 12 months. The absolute prerequisites are uncompromising. You must maintain perfect passport validity for your entire intended stay, and you must approve a continuous, verifiable stream of remote capital. The local economy is driven heavily by advanced software engineering. Uruguay stands as South America's leading software exporter per capita. This side-by-side bar chart maps the actual financial return. On the left, the standard Western model, medium living costs eroded by heavy income taxation. On the right, the Uruguayan model features 0% tax on global revenue. Watch the threshold line. If your gross revenue falls below this mark, steep local prices devour tax savings. You lose money living here. The math is unforgiving. This framework inherently penalizes low earners, while exponentially rewarding high-grossing developers and creative builders who pull heavy global revenues. You pay for premium geography. Coastal and corporate zones of Montevideo and sweeping luxury beaches of Punta del Este serve as epicenters of this lifestyle. Real estate tiers reflect this demand. While functional apartments in the inner provinces sit between $450 and $650 USD, modernized one-bedroom flats in prime coastal zones scale aggressively from $850 up to $1,400 monthly. You must also factor in gastos comunes. This is a mandatory community logistics and building fee that sits directly on top of your baseline rent, inflating urban costs even further. The daily consumer market holds similar premiums. A standard plate at a traditional restaurant or a fresh item at a fast casual cafe will cost you between $12 and $20 USD. But those costs purchase an extraordinary ecological dividend. Uruguay generates an astonishing 98% of its entire national electricity grid from renewable energy sources. The steep financial barrier to entry is intentional. It acts as a filter, guaranteeing that residents experience pure first-world institutional stability and flawless grid reliability. Security here leads the continent. Violent gang syndicates are practically non-existent. Solo female creators can walk the modern boulevards late at night with absolute peace of mind. Your only required caution is standard urban vigilance. You need to guard your tech gear against opportunistic pickpockets in dense transit hubs, like the Tres Cruces terminal in Montevideo. Integration requires adapting to a deep, carnivore-centric culture. The undisputed source of national pride is the Asado, a majestic sequence of premium beef and sweetbreads slow-roasted over massive hardwood embers. Daily social momentum is driven entirely by yerba mate. Almost the entire population carries custom leather flasks and wooden gourds, sharing hot herbal tea in a beautiful, highly inclusive social framework. The local pride extends globally. This is the nation that hosted and won the very first FIFA World Cup in 1930, constructing a massive stadium in just months to cement its engineering and sporting pedigree. Finally, you must plan for a true four-season climate. The flawless summer window runs from November to March. By June, the winter drops coastal temperatures to a crisp, wind-swept 6 degrees Celsius, turning urban blocks remarkably quiet. Thriving here means abandoning the chaotic, year-round heat of tropical nomad hubs. You must be willing to engage with deep, stable, and highly seasonal traditions. This quadrant chart maps exactly who should relocate. The x-axis tracks your gross remote income, from low to high. The y-axis measures your personal risk tolerance, scaling from chaotic adventure up to absolute institutional stability. In the bottom left, highlighted in red, is the budget trap. If you are an early-stage freelancer seeking cheap geo-arbitrage and chaotic nightlife, Uruguay will drain your capital and test your patience. Up in the top right, glowing green, is the perfect match. Established fintech architects, high-earning software developers, and creators prioritizing deep personal safety find their exact needs met within the Uruguayan model. You gain immediate access to flawless Atlantic aesthetics, operating entirely within an impenetrable legal tax fortress. Uruguay demands a premium upfront, but for those who run the math, paying that premium secures exactly what they came for: 0% taxes and 100% peace of mind. Next stop, Uzbekistan, where we map the glowing Silk Road minarets and ancient gold matrices of Central Asia. Subscribe to stay real.